Are you ready to learn how to speak German in record time fluently? Then I show you how my premium course works step by step. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. But before I start with the content, I highly recommend, if you have my course, that you install the Hotmart Sparkle app. And this way it's much easier to study all the content on the go. Okay, so let's see the content. We start with my beginner's course, where you learn from 0 to an A2 level. And you learn by following the story of Leo. And we try to relate the language to an image and not to a translation. Here a quick example. Leo lernt Deutsch in der Schule. Literal translation would be Leo learns German in the school. And that's how children learn. They always give a picture to what they hear. But it gets even better, because we use colors to really see grammar. And the subject here is green and has a direct influence on the ending. So the ending here, the T, is also green. The direct object, Deutsch, is blue. And we have here a preposition in. And the preposition in wants dative case. And dative in my course is orange. And we make the whole background green because lernen, it's a regular verb. If it would be irregular, then we have a red background. So that's not bad, right? No? But it gets even better. We use the question and answer technique to create repetition. And as you know that everything is mastered by the right amount of repetition. Okay? So let's see some simple questions. Wer lernt Deutsch? Wer? Who? Wer lernt Deutsch? Leo. Leo lernt Deutsch. Was lernt Leo? Was? What? No? And it's blue. So we ask for the blue one. Okay? Was lernt Leo? Deutsch. Leo lernt Deutsch. In addition to the 30 lessons for your self-studies with Leo Stories, you will have individual one-on-one lessons with me or a qualified teacher, okay, on Zoom. And you also have the chance to join our group lesson on Zoom, where you can meet other students, and I personally will answer all your doubts and questions you have. And that you really don't feel alone, you can join our WhatsApp group. And there I or other students will answer to your questions as well. And as a little bonus, after every 5 lessons, I will have a little challenge for you, so you can practice even more your German. Okay, when we finished our A1, A2 course, we move on to our B1 course. And here we learn with a series, like a little bit like Friends. It's a funny series and you will really enjoy this series. The aim here is to work on your vocabulary and to learn things from everyday life. And in order to go deeper into the German language, we use a new technique, the technique of word-for-word translation. And here also a small example. Morgen will ich nach Deutschland fliegen. The word-for-word translation is tomorrow want I towards Germany fly. And as you can see, with this method we better understand the German structure and the true meaning of every single word. And in the course you watch the series with German and English subtitles, only with the word-for-word translation, and also with just German subtitles. And in the end you will understand everything without subtitles. And in total of 13 episodes we will also use our question and answer technique to create the right amount of repetition. Okay? And then it's time to retell the story. And that's really again a little bit creating repetition, but here we will do it in this way, that you will have the sentence in present tense and you need to transform the sentence into past tense. And on top of that, you will write a text in every single lesson to improve as well your writing skills. And this text will then corrected by me, no? And you will learn, no, by your mistakes to improve your writing skills. And as well in our B1 course, there's again one-on-one lesson with me or a qualified teacher, and as well the weekly group lessons on Zoom. And of course you can join our WhatsApp group for the B1 course as well. So this way you never feel alone. And as a little bonus, we have an extra course that you can take whenever you want. In the extra course you learn German with music. And here you will find a list of beautiful German songs. And each song has a short video with some extra information about the song and about the artist. And you can watch the song with or without subtitles, no? And in addition, you will study actively the lyrics of the song until you master everything. And then you can sing the song by yourself. Music is simply a great way to get to know more vocabulary and to know even better the German culture. Yeah, and this is my premium course for learning German. And with a spoken B1 level, you will become much richer in your life. And I hope I see you soon and you enjoy the course.